With the longest history and the fastest growth of all corporations in Korea, Doosan is changing the world. Doosan continuously innovates and reinvents itself with the infrastructure support business as its core focus and growth engine, which encompasses all aspects of building and maintaining the infrastructure of society. As a result, Doosan's infrastructure support business now accounts for 95% of the total revenue. Since 2000, Doosan has achieved a compound annual growth rate of 15% and a 22-fold increase in the market capitalization. Doosan's global competitiveness keeps growing stronger through its acquisition of companies that possess world-class technology and technical capabilities. With 119 overseas entities around the world and over 1,700 dealers in a network that spans 38 countries, Doosan boasts a truly global workforce and business network. Doosan's remarkable growth has been fueled by its belief in securing and nurturing global human resources, establishing a global network, and its philosophy, the growth of business through the growth of people, Doosan's 2G strategy. Now, let us show you the world of Doosan's infrastructure support business. Doosan Heavy Industries and Construction. Rapidly rising to become the global leader in power and water, Doosan Heavy Industries and Construction consists of the following business groups. The EPC business group that supplies power plants in one integrated process, from plant engineering, construction, to test runs. The boiler business group that manufactures the core technology of power plant boilers and supplies green energy facilities, including wind power and carbon dioxide abatement equipment. The turbine and generator business group that supplies steam turbines, gas turbines, and generators. The water business group, the world's leading provider of seawater desalination facilities, that owns 3 major proprietary technologies for MSF, MED, and RO. The nuclear business group that supplies core equipment for nuclear power generation to countries including the US, the UAE, and China, as well as many sites in South Korea. The castings and forgings business group that provides products for various industrial fields such as marine engine parts, power generation components, work rolls, and mold and tool steels. Doosan Heavy Industries and Construction is doing its best to make the world a better place for tomorrow through technology that enhances the value of Earth. Doosan Infracore. Doosan Infracore, a leader in global machinery industry, consists of the following. The Construction Equipment Business Group has a complete global business portfolio that includes Bobcat, the #1 leader of compact construction equipment market in the US and Europe. Doosan, the #1 in accumulated sales of excavators in China. Also provides a unique line of articulated dump trucks. The Machine Tools Business Group, one of the world's largest producers of machine tools, provides lines of turning centers, machining centers, horizontal boring mills, and Swiss turn units with a large business network across North America, Europe, and Asia. The Engines Business Group is quickly rising in the global ranking as a top provider of diesel and natural gas engines for construction equipment, generators, marine engines, and others. With its family of businesses, Doosan Infracore is taking powerful strides to reach the global top 3 position in each of its business areas. Doosan Engineering and Construction. Doosan Engineering and Construction, which has accumulated unparalleled know-how and technologies in civil works and construction, continues to lead the industry with Doosan Weave the Zenith in Haeundae. Multi-purpose high-rise building with record-high 80 floors and 300 meters of height. The Shin-Bundang Line Railway Project, the first privately proposed wide-area rail transit system in the capital district. And Korean Train Express Project, that is the longest on the record. And global top-tier supply in the chemical process equipment market and steel bridges construction. In 2013, Doosan E&C took over the HRSG business, which is a key element of combined cycle thermal power plant. Today, it is making endless endeavors to become the world's best. Doosan Engine. The specialty manufacturer of low and medium-speed diesel engines for land-borne power plants, in addition to propulsion and power generation in large marine vessels, and also a builder of diesel power plants all around the world. Doosan Engine creates engines that power the planet. Doosan Engine has a diesel engine manufacturing system with an annual production capacity of 14 million horsepower. And its demand flow manufacturing, as well as foolproof system, synchronizes manufacturing with quality assurance, an industry first. Doosan Engine is setting an example for developing high-efficiency, eco-friendly power plants. By supplying a selective catalyst DNOC system for Jeju internal combustion power plant, while leading the diesel power plant market by supplying backup diesel power generators to all of Korea's nuclear power plants. Doosan DST. Doosan DST, Korea's national defense specialist with cutting-edge technology, is striving to become the leader in the world market with outstanding products such as K-21 infantry fighting vehicle. Doosan Industrial Vehicle. Doosan Industrial Vehicle is a leading value forklift manufacturer offering engine-powered forklifts, electric trucks, and warehouse equipment with ever-expanding markets to become the global brand. Doosan Motrol. With over 40% of Korean market share, Doosan Motrol is a hydraulic equipment specialist that earned world-class product certification in driving motor category. Today, it is growing into a global parts company that extends beyond motion and control fields. Doosan Capital. Doosan Capital is a specialty credit finance company that ranks #1 in Korea's machinery installment financing area, supporting the growth of Doosan's infrastructure support business. It is making unceasing efforts to grow into a global finance company. Neoplux. Neoplux provides services in corporate investments and private equity business as an investment specialist. Founded in 1896 as Korea's first modern corporation, Doosan is the oldest yet the fastest changing corporation in Korea. Doosan is growing as a proud global enterprise through the Doosan Way, its philosophy for the next 100 years of growth. Beyond its corporate boundaries, Doosan is doing its best to fulfill social responsibility and obligation to the communities in which Doosan operates, as well as to the world at large. Each year, Doosan provides significant financial support to academic studies, education, pro-environmental activities, international culture exchange projects, and talent development through its involvement in the Yeongang Foundation, and the Chungang University Foundation. A rapidly changing, constantly growing corporation that strives to make tomorrow better than yesterday. Doosan. With its corporate values clearly focused on people, Doosan will strive to realize the growth of its business through the growth of its people. Building your tomorrow today.